Why do my math teachers never discuss this in school? Why am I now finding out that 0.99 recurring equals 1? No indictments? Judgment free zone, kinda.
We listen and we don't judge.
If you're like me, a math enthusiast that never had a discussion, I want to make it make sense in the easiest way possible. So let's break down where the confusion comes from, why your brain says no, hell no, and why the math says deal with it. So that argument is basically saying 0.999 recurring goes on forever. So it never actually reaches 1. It's always just a little bit less. Alright, so here's why that's wrong. The difference is 0.000 recurring. The ellipsis or dot 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 means zeros continuing forever. And I know you want to say that there's a 1 at the end, but people, there is no end. So yeah, there's that rubbish. The idea here is if you subtract 0.99 recurring from 1, you get something like 0. Infinite zeros 1. So they can't be equal, right? Quick question. Who is typing that number, the 0. Infinite zeros 1? It's not a real number and not valid math notation. People, we can't put a digit after infinity. That's like saying I'll finish a sentence eventually. Some argue that our sequence of 0.9 followed by 0.99 followed by 0.999 recurring approaches 1 but never gets there. So 1 can't be the mathematical limit, which is the value a sequence approaches. But the key word here is approach, because 1 is exactly the term our sequence approaches. Whether or not you believe, it will get there. 0.99 recurring isn't almost 1. It's what happens when an infinite party actually arrives at its destination. So yes, 0.999 recurring equals 1. No tricks, no scams, just math being extra. It's hard to accept that two different looking decimals are actually the same value, but that's part of the power and the weirdness of infinity and real numbers. Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.